compte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Top. Allumage de ZSR et décollage. La propulsion est nominale. Pilotage calme, paramètres à bord sont normaux. Propulsion nominale. Les paramètres à bord sont normaux, la trajectoire est nominale. La propulsion est nominale. Paramètres à bord sont normaux, passage ultrasonique.
On board the third Ariane 6 rocket, blazing a trail across the night skies here over the Guiana Space Center, the European Spaceport in French Guiana. They have started their journey.
Pilotage calme et passage de la pression dynamique max.
We are hearing that the pressure is calm, everything is going well. And we are looking here at two boosters, Vincent. They're doing all the work right now, aren't they?
Yes, we can see the two boosters. So we are in the booster phase. So the mass of the launcher on the pad, 535 tons. So to lift off, you need more thrust than weight. So we need 900 tons of thrust, and the booster are providing nearly 90% of
Début de booster ESR, paramètres à bord normaux.
He's telling us that everything is going
Pilotage
well.
calme.
Everything is normal. Getting close now to... We should see, actually, those boosters being jettisoned on our cameras. We'll see two dots kind of moving away from... We're looking there, I think, at probably the engine on the main stage. There we go. We can see the boosters.
Séparation ESR.
And we have confirmation, and that's what it looks like. The two boosters falling away there.
La propulsion est nominale.
Yeah.
So lucky we've got incredibly clear skies.
Image, yes.
Looking now at the main engine, the Vulcan engine, which is now
Trajectoire nominale.
And he's telling us that everything's normal. Right now, the next thing to be jettisoned will be the fairing. That's the top, the nose
Manœuvre enroulée en cours, tout est nominal.
Everything's fine, and the fairing is protecting our satellites. Actually, we've got a good view of it there on our CGI images, the top of the rocket, the cargo bay, if you like. Our
Les paramètres à bord sont normaux.
Stowed inside there, Vincent. It's got a number of jobs, hasn't it?
Pilotage calme.
Yeah, the fairing on top of the launcher has several jobs. So the first one, as you can imagine, is to protect the satellite on the ground from dust, humidity, and so on.
Trajectoire nominale.
And at launch, it is an acoustic protection against a huge vibration generated by the different ignitions.
It's very loud.
Yeah, and during the flight, so right now, it protects the satellites against air friction and the extreme heat as we travel through the dense part of the atmosphere. And now...
We have separation of the fairing. It's been jettisoned, so we don't need that anymore. We're out of the dense part of the atmosphere that you were describing. And look at that. Wow. We can see our satellite for the first time, and it's a big one. It's the gold structure.
Yes, so we can see the Metop-SGA1 spacecraft position on top of the launcher. So it is attached to the upper stage with a adapter. So Metop-SGA1, a big bird of more than 4 tons, positioned on top of the launcher in stowed configuration, of course, for the flight. So in gold color, we can see the multi-layer insulation that covers and protects the spacecraft sensitive elements from thermal radiation. And in gray and black, we can see other parts of the spacecraft like instrument or specific equipment.
Propulsion nominale.
Indeed, he's telling us everything's going well up there in space. And yeah, those instruments, we have 6 different instruments on board. Let's tell you about them. If we go clockwise from the top
Pilotage calme,
right,
propulsion nominale.
everything's going well. Yazi, next generation, giving us profiles of temperature and humidity, also giving us information about the gases in the atmosphere.
Yes, and just below, the RO, that is to
La
say
trajectoire est nominale et tous les paramètres à bord sont normaux.
It listens to how the signals from navigation satellite like GPS and Galileo bend through the atmosphere to map temperature, humidity and pressure.
And then below that,
Tous les paramètres à bord sont normaux.
we've got MWS, the microwave sounder. Now that's able to see through clouds, giving us information about temperature and humidity, as well as snow and ice.
Yes, and on the other side we have the 3MI, which is, that is a new way of monitoring the tiny particles, the aerosol high in the atmosphere associated with the formation of clouds, and just above
Pilotage calme, les paramètres à bord sont nominaux.
Sentinel-5 that will gather data about our atmosphere and air quality as part of Europe's Copernicus Earth Observation Program.
Indeed. And then,
Trajectoire nominale.
right at the top on the top left-hand side is Met-Image. It's a visual and infrared imager giving us high-resolution images which are very useful
Propulsion nominale.
for... He's telling us that propulsion is normal, very useful for looking at the clouds, and the land surface is also useful for looking at sea ice and the surface of the oceans. So 6 incredibly
Il reste une
important
minute de poussée Vulcain.
instruments all packed on board one satellite bristling with technology. And our satellite Metop-SGA1 is a great example of teamwork and European excellence.
Pilotage calme, propulsion nominale.
In observation from space, it was built by a consortium of different industries led by Airbus Defence and Space. Now, a quick word
Les
about
paramètres à bord sont
trajectory.
normaux.
Top right-hand side of your screen, the green line is the planned trajectory, and the white cross is our actual position of our launcher. So, we are burning, Vincent, the main stage. It's that whopping great big tank of
Propulsion
fuel
nominale.
in the middle of the rocket.
Yes, we are at the end of the main stage flight. So the main stage, 33 meter high, a mass of 23
paramètres à bord sont normaux.
tons, and fueled with 154 tons of cryogenic
Extinction
propellant.
Vulcain.
Yeah.
And he's just confirmed there that we've switched the main stage off.
Séparation LLPM.
And we have separated it and jettisoned it.
Premier allumage Vinci.
And we have ignition, our first
Tous
ignition
les paramètres à bord sont
of
normaux.
the Vinci upper stage, and everything is going according to plan. So yes, now we've really gone into the next phase of our flight. The upper stage has taken the baton. Its job is
Orbite
to
atteinte avec
deliver.
section Vulcain nominale. Les paramètres à bord sont normaux.
Everything's going fine. Everything's going according to plan. Its job is to deliver its
Pilotage calme.
passenger to its required destination in space, where we can drop it off. And to do that, it's got the engine on it, which is the Vinci.
Yes, the
engine.
Vinci. So the upper stage is equipped with the Vinci engine. So
Les
we
paramètres à
need,
bord sont
two
normaux.
ignition of the engine will be necessary to reach